Fat Tire Electric Bike Dirt Bike 20 and 24-inch electric dirt bike for adults, electric motorcycle with battery 30 motor 1200W hydraulic disc brake, gray 3 working modes size 24 inches. D1 powerful off-road performance, 30A high power high capacity battery with Storm 1800W DC motor. Gearbox, low speed ratio 1, 7.97, high speed ratio 1, 4.8, low speed 35 km/h, high speed 57 km/h. Endurance, about 6 hours 110 km. Ultralight high-performance dirt bikes, D1 evolutionary performance upgrade, 2-speed mechanical transmission, with a wider power output range, low-speed climbing is more beneficial, high-speed off-road is more exciting. Front and rear suspension, front shock air pressure stroke about 155mm preload, multi-stage damping adjustable, rear shock, air pressure stroke about 130mm preload, multi-stage damping adjustable. D1 riding fun, casual riding, light, quiet and comfortable. Off-road racing, the gearbox is blessed with high-strength bodywork, allowing you to ride the field without fear of challenges. Climbing skills, super explosive power, lightweight, professional climbing angle, can easily deal with complex obstacles, highly customizable. D1 has more ways to play. You can add accessories to your D1. Please contact us for details of accessories. If you have any questions or any product quality problems, please feel free to contact us. We will answer your questions and give you a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.